Hi guys, welcome to the Tackle Tricks. In this video we are going to learn how to install Python in your Windows operating system. So let's start. First of all, we are going to visit python.org. Now we will download the latest version. We put the mouse on downloads and we can see the downloads for Windows. Now this is the latest version. Click on here. Now you can see I have downloaded this version. Now open the folder. Now click on this, double click, install now. Now it will take some time during installation. Now you can see that Python has been successfully installed. Now we will check Python has been installed or not. Now open the command prompt cmd. Here we will type py. Now you can see that Python 3.10.5 has been successfully installed. Now let's check. Let's try a bit code. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. C is equal to A plus B. Now print C. Now you can see that the answer is 11. Python is running perfectly. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more informative videos, and thank you for watching.